Okay guys, back today. We're gonna go on a little food run in a 5-0, of course. My custom plates just came in, so I'm super happy about that. Again, it's like a 35 minute drive to the food spot, so it's gonna be like an hour round trip. Yesterday going to Buc-ee's, we did good. We didn't have no problems. Halfway through, my plug wires did pop off just because I didn't have them pushed down tight enough, I guess. But other than that, like, it was good. Fixed that issue. Haven't had any issues since, so that's good. But yeah, it's hot. It's like 85 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car. It shouldn't have to warm up too much because it's warm outside. But yeah, let's get it started up. She always starts up like a little bit rough, but you know, as she gets warm, she evens out. Sounds a lot better. So yeah, super excited to go to the food spot, y'all. I found a new Jamaican spot. It's so good. And they don't be playing about their oxtails. They give you a hefty oxtail plate. So I'm gonna show y'all the plate when I get it. But yeah, let's go. I did put some more glitter on the tires. Look at it with the sun hitting. It is so pretty. A lot of comments were like, they've had glitter tire around since the 80s. I wouldn't know about that because I wasn't born in the 80s. So it's new to me. Water to drink because I love me some coconut water. But let's get into the main character. This plate. Y'all see how they pack it? Most of the time, people be stingy with the oxtails. They give you like 4 oxtails. No, baby, not here. And I'm not gonna tell y'all my spot because y'all not gonna blow my spot up. But just know I be up in here. So yeah, that's that. Coconut water with some pulp in it because that's what I like. But yeah, they got a whole lot of good stuff in there. It's like a little Jamaican market. You get all your goods from the islands. So that's that. We're gonna head home so we can eat. Cause like I said, it's blitzing out here. And yeah, like I said, got the buckles off my notch. and they do the job. So y'all was like, do you ever wear your seatbelt? Y'all, I didn't have no buckles. I don't know who cut the buckles off, but